In GTA 5 story mode, accumulating wealth involves a combination of strategic missions, investments, and smart resource management. Now, a key method for building wealth is completing heists, which are central to the game's narrative. All right, so each heist requires careful planning, and the way you approach it can be significantly effective in your payout. So selecting the right crew members with specific skills is crucial, as it can often increase your chances of success and maximize your take. Additionally, take advantage of the in-game stock market. Pay attention to the trends in both the LCN and the BAWSAQ stock exchanges, as certain missions influence stock prices. For instance, by sabotaging a competitor's business or taking down specific targets, you can profit by buying low and selling high. Be sure to invest in stocks before completing missions that affect their values. Then cash out after the market reacts. Another way to build your fortune is through side activities like collecting hidden packages, finding rare cars, or completing miscellaneous tasks that reward you with cash. Real estate investments are also an excellent long-term way to generate passive income. By purchasing properties across Los Santos, you can receive regular payouts that add up over time. By completing these strategies, you can amass a small fortune and live the high life in Los Santos. Let me know if this helped.